Hello everyone, I am Zolfaghari from the University of Tehran and I want to present our recent work to you. The subject of our paper is automatic counting red blood cells in the microscopic images by EndPoints method and circular Hough transform. Blood is composed of three main parts: red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Changes in the number and shape of red blood cells may signify illness. Therefore, counting red blood cells is an important problem. There are manual and automatic methods for counting red blood cells. The manual method is time-consuming and depends on the expert's experience. The automated method is faster and more accurate than the manual method. The automated method is done with various machine learning techniques and image processing. It is performed with the assistance of a microscopic image of the person's blood and a computer system. Due to the circular shape of the cells, one of the most widely used methods for automatic counting of red blood cells is using circular Hough transform, which can be used to detect the circles in a binary image. We present an automatic method for counting red blood cells in microscopic images by our new proposed method that we called EndPoints method and circular Hough transform. As you can see in the image, incomplete or cropped red blood cells are usually at the border of the image. The incomplete and cropped red blood cells are important challenges for counting automated red blood cells. You can see the steps of the proposed method in this figure. The proposed method generally consists of four main steps: age detection, removing white blood cells, applying EndPoints method, and applying circular Hough transform. We applied the canny method on grayscale image for age detection. On the other hand, we extract white blood cells from images with segmentation, perform on the green channel, and finally subtract white blood cells from the result of age detection after eroding the result of segmentation. In the next step, the EndPoints method was applied to the result of subtraction. You can see that four steps in the figure shown. As shown, the EndPoints method estimates the behavior of cropped cells edge in the outside of the image, and it can help detect red blood cells easily by circular Hough transform and counting them. EndPoints method is the main part of our work. As I said before, the EndPoints method estimates the behavior of cropped cells behavior outside the image border, and now I want to explain how it works. First, a set called EndPoints is created. EndPoint contains the points where the circle curves of the red blood cells end due to reaching the edge of the microscopic image. The hit or miss morphological operator is used to calculate this set. For each point of the endpoints set, like P, we calculate some points and vectors as shown in this slide. We define a miscalculation as the number of red blood cells that have not been detected, wrongly detected, or counted more than once. Therefore, the equation of the counting accuracy is defined through the number of miscalculations as shown. We selected 15 images from the all-IDB1 dataset and applied the EndPoints method to them, and we achieved 97.14 mean accuracy with a newly defined counting accuracy metric. The counting accuracy metric is designed to detect error in counted red blood cells that are covered by another miscalculation. But if just the final number of counted red blood cells are important, then we can use regression metrics. Regression metrics are directly computed from absolute error between the number of manually counted red blood cells and the number of counted red blood cells by our program, and the results are given in the table below. To wrap it up, we proposed a new method to estimate the behavior of incomplete ages of cropped cells and a new metric for counting problems that is more sensitive to wrongly counted cells. After applying our new method to the dataset according to the result that I mentioned in the previous slide, we can say this is a good and accurate method. Finally, I would like to thank you for your attention